This video answers how to buy shares of Stainless Tankers ASA, ticker STST.OL, listed on Euronext. Stainless Tankers ASA operates stainless and specialty product tankers transporting liquid cargoes. This is an educational walkthrough and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and then add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker STST.OL to find the company. Select the result that matches Stainless Tankers ASA listed on Euronext to open the asset page. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for STST.OL. Take a moment to confirm the company name, exchange, and ticker to ensure this is the correct listing. Tap or click the Invest or Buy button and enter the amount you want to invest in STST.OL. Review the order details carefully and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, you may place a pending order or wait for market hours. And if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the link to eToro is in the description below.